Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to break down a really massive shift happening in the business world. We're talking about the rise of the AI-powered one-person empire. Seriously, the tools and the leverage that are available right now, it's creating a genuine gold rush. Okay, so let's just jump right in with this pretty bold claim from Ahmed Azad. This one sentence just perfectly captures the incredible financial potential that's popping up everywhere. It's not about selling your time anymore. It's about being able to show overwhelming AI-driven value, like right away. And get a load of this number, $150. Now, that's not the price of a product. That's how much advertisers are willing to fork over for a single click in a hot new AI niche. A single click. That's a huge signal telling you exactly where the smart money is flowing. And all of this incredible value, it's fueling a brand new dream, what people are calling the one-person unicorn. The whole idea here is that AI gives you so much leverage that a single founder, or maybe a super tiny team, can now build a company that achieves a massive scale and valuation that was frankly unimaginable before without a huge staff. You know, the actual model of work itself is being completely rewritten in front of our eyes. We're seeing this fundamental shift away from the old way, trading your time directly for dollars, to this whole new world where you're building automated systems and digital assets that just generate revenue 24/7, with AI doing all the heavy lifting. And listen, this isn't just some theory, right? This is happening right now out in the wild. You've got Base 44, a startup with just one founder selling for a reported $80 million. AI Apply, just two founders, pulling in 15 grand a month. And another one, Nano Automate, they scaled up to $300,000 a month. These tiny, tiny teams are creating an output that used to require entire departments. All right, so the big question is, how? How are they actually doing it? What's the strategy? Let's dig into the playbook that's starting to emerge and see how this all builds into a business model you could actually use. Okay, the secret sauce here is a crucial new model. It's called AI as a productized service, or AAPS for short. So instead of doing these one-off custom projects for people, you build and, more importantly, you own an AI system. Clients don't buy your time anymore. They subscribe to the results your system kicks out. You own the IP. And this chart, wow, it just lays out the difference so clearly. The old model, that meant low-value, one-off projects where you were always hunting for the next gig. But the APS model, we're talking high-value monthly retainers, predictable recurring revenue, and real actual scalability, because you can sell the same core system to lots of different clients. But here's the catch. Success really hinges on finding the right pond to fish in before everybody else shows up. This framework, it's like a treasure map for getting there early. You're basically hunting for these little signals like new phrases people are using in forums or rising search traffic that show a market is just starting to form way before the competition even knows it exists. Targeting niches where businesses have really expensive problems is absolutely key. Think about it. AI compliance, automation, digital security. These fields command huge prices because the cost of not solving the problem, like a multi-million-dollar lawsuit, is just enormous. And that's what justifies the premium prices you can charge. So yeah, the opportunity is clearly massive. It's staggering. But, and this is a really big but, this incredible speed and automation, it introduces a completely new and frankly dangerous class of risk. What happens when these incredibly powerful systems inevitably get something wrong? So let's just hit pause on all the gold rush excitement for a second. It is time for a serious reality check. We have to explore the very real dangers that are lurking just beneath the surface of all this hype. And look, we're not talking about minor glitches. We are talking about AI literally inventing legal precedents out of thin air, or AI agents completely faking progress reports. We're talking about real agencies like AI Flow collapsing after their AI tools leaked client data, leading to millions of dollars in fines. These are business-ending failures. And this creates this massive legal and ethical problem that we're really just starting to get our heads around: the accountability gap. Think about it. When an AI causes millions in damages, who exactly is at fault? Is it the user who prompted it? The agency that built the system? The company that trained the model in the first place? It's a total legal minefield. Okay, so how do we balance this incredible opportunity against these really serious risks? Well, the solution isn't to get rid of the AI, not at all. It's to completely redefine the role of the human in the loop. And this is where a brand new, totally critical professional comes into play: the AI orchestrator.
This isn't just about being a prompt engineer. This is someone who provides the strategic oversight, the ethical guardrails, and ultimately the accountability that the AI just can't. They're like the conductor of the entire AI orchestra.
And this right here, this gets to the absolute heart of the new value proposition. Your most important skill is no longer getting the AI to write a sales email. 1,000 tools can do that. Your unique high-value skill is knowing if the AI wrote the right email and having the deep expertise to fix it when it's wrong. That's evaluative judgment. And this table just clarifies the two paths you can take perfectly. You cannot be an AI tourist just chasing every shiny new tool and offering these vague general services. If you want to command those high-value retainers, you have to become a deep vertical expert, solving very specific, very expensive problems for just one single niche. So ultimately, we've arrived at this really fascinating moment in time. The tools to build a one-person empire are here. They're accessible to almost everyone. So the question is no longer a technical one of can you build it? It's now a strategic and, frankly, an ethical one of how should you build it? And that, right there, is both the challenge and the massive opportunity.